If you are teaching a complex subject or trying to facilitate a bunch of group discussions, then you might be interested in exploring the concept of breakout rooms in Zoom. You can split your group of students or the Zoom attendees into a bunch of individual groups, either manually or automatically assign individuals to one of those groups. Once those individuals have finished their group discussions, then you can call them back to the main room and then have or collate all those discussions together to confirm and conclude on your main point. Let's see how to do that. The first thing you want to do is to go to the Zoom settings. Under the meeting tab, scroll down until you see the option breakout room. So we have the option breakout room under the in-meeting advanced settings. Under breakout room, just toggle the switch to on. You'll see the option to allow the host to assign participants to a breakout room as and when you schedule the Zoom session. If you want that option, then toggle it on as well. Let's go ahead and schedule a meeting. After we enter the mandatory meeting details, you're going to scroll down. In this option here, we are going to choose the option to pre-assign a breakout room if you want that. Otherwise, you can assign the breakout rooms during the Zoom session. If you have already invited participants to the Zoom session, then you can use the opportunity to assign them to the breakout rooms that you have created. Let's create a couple of breakout rooms and assign participants to those breakout rooms. Let's save our meeting. Let's now start the meeting. When you start the meeting, you're going to have the opportunity to look at your breakout rooms and assign them. If you scroll to the bottom of your meeting settings, you'll see the option breakout rooms at the bottom right. Let's click on it. As you can see, the breakout rooms that you had pre-assigned continue to be available to you. You can also choose the option to add a new breakout room. Under the options section, you can move all the assigned participants into breakout rooms. You can choose the option to close a breakout room automatically after, say, 30 minutes. You can also present the breakout room individuals with the option of a countdown that tells them that they're going to be returned to the main room after their breakout room discussion. This is how easy it's to create a breakout room. Let's add a breakout room. Let's open all the rooms. You can choose to broadcast a message to all participants in all the breakout rooms in case you need to remind them of something to be accomplished during their breakout room group discussion. This is how you create breakout rooms in Zoom. If you want to join a breakout room, then you click the join button. Zoom is going to show you that you're joining a breakout room. It will show you that you are currently in a breakout room. You can have your group discussions. After you're done, you will see a message that you're going to be returned to the main meeting, or you can choose to leave the breakout room if you have configured that setting. We are now returning to the main session from a breakout room. Once we do that, you will now be in the main session along with all the participants or attendees of that Zoom meeting. You can choose to recreate a breakout room in the middle of a Zoom session. You can choose whether to assign participants automatically to breakout rooms or whether you want to assign them manually to one or the other breakout rooms. This is how you can set up and execute the concept of breakout rooms using Zoom. Breakout rooms can be an incredibly useful way for you to facilitate smaller group discussions and then pull in all the points together in the main session after they are done having those discussions in those breakout rooms. I hope you found this video useful. If so, let me know in the comments below. Goodbye and take care.